I have a Mansfield outside spigot with antifreeze syphon. Something is broken inside because I cannot turn the water off with the handle. The handle move in and out and I cannot get the handle screw to come off so I can examine the inside area. I tried WD-40 to loosen the screw but it is not budging. Any suggestions? I thought about replacing the entire spigot but I am not sure of the length and whether they use the proper shaft section or just put the spigot onto the end of the copper feeder pipe. I tried turning the entire spigot to see if I could get it off but it did not move. Any ideas?
Welcome, I will do my best to help with your issue. If the screw in the handle won't come out then you can't remove the stem but it sounds like it's stripped. Since it's probably stripped it's probably not worth attempting to fix this. In a case like this we would just replace it. That said, is the pipe it connects to accessible from inside the house? What I meant was we would replace the entire sillcock, spigot.
I believe I have located it inside the house but it is in a difficult place. Small closet in corner of basement at ceiling height covered NY insulation.
If you can't get to the pipe inside then your only option is to cut the handle off and try replacing the stem and the handle. But the stem is pretty flimsy and if the threads in the body of the valve are stripped changing the stem won't help.
Is the stem you are referring to the steel spigot attached to a 8 inches, 10 inches or 12 inches copper pipe with a threaded end opposite of the spigot that goes into and connects to the pipe from the house which supplies the water?
The stem is connected to the handle. Depending on the length of the sillcock it can be anywhere from 6 inches to 12 inches long. It has a washer on the end and threads that match up to threads inside the valve. When you turn the handle the stem moves towards or away from the seat that the washer seats against. If you don't know how to solder copper, assuming you have copper water piping, then your options are pretty limited.
I cannot solder copper so it sounds like I need to call a professional plumber.
If you have a shutoff inside the house dedicated to this sillcock then you could try replacing the stem. But if there is no shutoff I'd suggest you call a plumber. There should be a shutoff.
No shutoff for just the spigot. I have to turn off the water to the entire house. So I need to call a plumber. Thanks for all your help. When I have the spigot replaced, can I have a shutoff for just the spigot installed also?
You really should have a shutoff for this faucet. Your plumber can install one pretty easily while he's there.
Great, thanks again.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.